How to blend images using Canva. So for everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how to easily blend images using Canva. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a quick like and subscribe. Let's begin. The first thing you need to do is head over to your Canva and create a design. So let's say if you want to blend two images, you are just gonna import two images right here and fill out your screen like this. And once you do that, you're going to add a page and import another image that you want to edit or blend. So from here, you just go ahead and make sure that it fits on your canvas. All right, so once this is done, you need to you need to go ahead and click on elements. And from here, you just want to import a gradient. So just search for gradient here. And once you search for it, you're going to go ahead and click on graphics. Scroll down until you find a gradient like this, something like this, and you can import it on your picture like this. So go ahead and enlarge it. Make sure that this is turned sideways. And once you do that, just go ahead and make it a bit large like this. So if you want to blend this image this way, you can do that, or if you want to set it this way, that's alright as well. What we are basically doing is creating a blank canvas for us to blend. So I'm just going to copy this and then paste it again multiple times like this. And you can just adjust its size, something like this, and make sure that it is completely blended. So once you do that, you can just adjust it like this. Alright, so once this is done, you can copy all of this and then directly uh, paste it down here. So I'm just going to do that. So here I have copied everything and I'm just going to paste it down here like this. And I'm just going to rotate it 180 degrees. And then once you do that, you can just bring it to the other side like so. So as you can see here, you have actually two blank canvases. Now you are just going to import this image and this image separately. So now what you basically want to do is after you have downloaded each of them, you are just going to import them like this and then stack them on top of each other. Here you will see the option for transparency, so you can just change the transparency of this selected image. So go ahead and click right here and then click on this transparency tab. You are just going to make sure that you decrease it to something like 50 or so, and do the same for the other picture. So once you stack them on top of each other and once you decrease the transparency, as you can see, it will look something like this. And here, as you can see, they are pretty blended. All you need to do now is just go ahead and download this picture. And once you do that, you should be able to edit it again. So go ahead and click on download. And once you do that, click on download again. Now you are just going to import it again. So click on upload files and then import the downloaded picture right here. So it has been converted into a zip file, which I'm going to extract really quick. So once you do that, you can import the picture on your Canva. Once you import your picture, all you need to do is now go ahead and click on edit this picture, and you are just going to edit a few things. Once you click on edit like this, you can click on adjust. You can manage the temperature of the image, tint, brightness, and you can just play along with these kind of settings to make it more visible. And once you are done with this, you can just go ahead and export the image. So make sure that it looks pretty visible like this. You can just adjust it according to your need. And once you do that, it will look pretty blended. You can increase its color vibrance and saturation to make it more defined. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys on the next one.